from Canaccord Genuity Wealth Management. Rob, we are expecting an update from the Bank of Canada today. What's the story there?
Yeah, it's actually coming later this week, Gabby, but it is expected because first time this year, they're going to make great policy announcement with respect to what we can expect. So they have the ability or the power to cut interest rates. A lot of talk right now with respect to analysts taking a look at, is that the right move? Do we further kind of ease the cost on consumers, on us, on businesses, reduce their borrowing costs, reduce their interest payments, therefore allow them to have kind of more capital in their back pocket? Some other analysts on the other side of the story are saying, do not waste your quote unquote last bullets here on reducing interest rates. Save those for when you absolutely need them. So most analysts that I have scoured the market for this morning are predicting that there will not be an interest rate hike, but we're going to watch that, and I will report on that later this week, Gabby.
Rob, we are heading to China next. Their GDP growth numbers have been announced. How are they looking?
Surprisingly, really, really strong. So year over year, 2.3% the economy grew in China for 2020. More importantly, 6.5% Q4 over pre-COVID Q4 a year over year. So they're probably going to be the only economy, I think, that's going to have that much growth, or probably any growth. However, the Chinese consumers are still reluctant to spend. Sales contracted 4% year over year. The reason I mention this, Gabby, second largest economy and growing at the fastest pace of most economies. So they are a huge portion of the global GDP now.
Yeah, certainly an important update. We also want to talk about cryptocurrency. It fascinates a lot. Has been on the move lately. What's the latest there?
Yeah, and the reason we're not talking about stocks today, for those of you who know, is that the markets in the US are closed, Martin Luther King Day, so don't expect much movement today in your stocks. Crypto, though, yes, it's been on fire. January is up big. It kind of topped at 40,000. It retreated a bit, and it looks like the buying pressure is back on, and the crypto bugs, the crypto bulls are in, and they're buying, and the crypto has been on the move. It's closing today right around 36,900 US dollars.
Rob, quick look at those pre-market boards before we let you go.
Canadian dollar is down 23 basis points to 78.28. The Dow futures relatively flat because the markets are not open today in the US. They are open in Canada, though. Gold up $5 to 18.33, and oil is down 14 cents to 52.22.
That is Rob Chase from Canaccord Genuity Wealth Management. Still ahead, we're talking mental health support and Monday.